As you see, I wake up in the morning washing my face with Golden Queen soap. There's glutathione that's it's made with papaya and niacinamide, so it's very good for face. And there's the snail mucus as well. So I wash my face very well with it and clean with water. After I will just clean it. I use towel. I clean my face with towel. So this is the first part. Then I use the soap to apply in my face and rub all over my face. See, so that before I go down. So now I'm ready to go down and start everything. Okay, this morning, so to start my day, I know I really had a long day for the Eve and all those things, New Year. And today, so look at, this is my, I take something like this. This is, it's a French language, Levure de bière. It's like a yeast. So in the capsule form. So I drink in the morning because it's good for the intestine. You see, I don't know. Open it. So you see it's like this, 2 tablets. So I take it in the morning because it helps me. All the alcohol or everything you take, it helps you in the day. And don't forget, this is my banana. So this banana now, I will show you what as I'm going to use it. And this is kiwi, and my egg, my boiled egg, my darling. These are things, and this is just a tea. It's green tea with ginger inside and lime. So this is how I make it, and a little honey, because if you're hearing my voice, I'm not feeling really well, and this is time to do detox. So I start by drinking, and it's simple water without anything, because you need that in your stomach in the morning to cleanse. So I've already banana. The benefits, things I'm going to use, the simple things that come out from your kitchen. So watch and see. I'll show you how I do it. I'm using this morning. I just bring everything in the sitting room, in the dining, because I don't want to be moving here and there. So I'm showing you what I do in the morning. I don't need expensive cosmetic product, just things from the kitchen. This is gunpowder, it's the green tea, the natural green tea. So I have some, so I'm going to use it. And I have already do some for my drinking. And this is lime, which and this is yogurt, natural yogurt, you see. So what I do, I have an empty this thing. I'm going to cut it into, because I'm going to eat half of the yogurt. I'm going to use half for my face. And this is turmeric. So with salt and banana. That's all I want. So now I'm putting salt, because this is after the ground powder, which is the, so I'm not just doing it, bringing the water all the time. I'm taking just a little quantity of the plenty and putting it down in my mouth, trying to put it in the water so it doesn't make anything. So I've already taken the one I'm going to drink. I already had my breakfast. So this is the only one you can use in your breakfast. I'm taking just a little. So if you watch me what I'm doing, you see it's few. I'm not using much. So I'm using this to show you how the quantity is. Now I'm taking my turmeric. So it's just a little. See, it's very, very hot. Not more. See that your face will not turn to carrot after. What you need is a little bit something that will remove all the toxin off. I'm using the spoon to take the yogurt. It's just a simple natural yogurt. So in London we say Greek yogurt. You have Greek yogurt. So here the natural yogurt is just good for what I need. I don't need more. I still take half. The other half I'm going to use it for my breakfast. Everything I'm using here, I'm going to use for my breakfast as well. So now I turn it. I have the banana for the consistency, the one that we have, and I have the tea. So everything I'm using here. At the moment, I don't put anything oil because normally I'll just put a little olive oil. So if your face is very dry, try to put, so because it's good to hydrate. You see it, that's the mixture. So now I'm applying this in my face. Yeah, if you come to eat in my house this morning, you will see me with this. It doesn't look appealing, yeah. My face doesn't look a queen chick. So, you see, this is queen chick DIY. So, that's my secret. So, I put it in my hand. I don't use brush. Why? Because I wake up in the morning. I'm tired. I don't want to go through those things. What I need is to have my grow up before. I have my friends coming today. I have other people coming, we are still in the Eve period. So I just pass it on my face. So this badge I do, I can use it for 2 days, today and tomorrow. So, and I told you don't exfoliate your face much, but this one is special because it's just a free ingredient, and the exfoliant is the salt and the green. That's only what that exfoliates your face. So apart from that, everything is okay. So you just leave it to penetrate 20-30 minutes. The time I finish taking my breakfast, talk with my ex-husband on the table, with the children and friends. Before I will go and take my shower, I know that it has done the job I wanted to do, to get my face back. During Christmas, after Christmas time, I was sick. I went outside where I get cold. So getting cold, I have all this cough and so on. So I need to get my face back as well before going back to London. So and this is a grow up treatment you can do anytime, not only for the party, but when you come back from the party or weekend, this is something you can just do. So, I try just to use something with nice cinnamon is good. You have some soap, papaya soap, all those things is good. Okay? So check me out after. I'm shining, both in the sun after registering green cheek ladies. So look at me, I'm moving around the beach. I put my sun cream on my face and I'm just shining, moving around with some fun. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me what you need, comment, tell me what to do.
Tu veux faire quoi?